What's up guys, welcome to this part 3 of the Batman 2021 suit. In this episode we're gonna do the gloves and the belt. So starting off with the gloves, I made a rough sketch of all the parts I'm gonna need. Now for this I already had these gloves that I used previously for the Avengers Endgame Quantum Realm suit. So I'm gonna reuse them, and the only thing I'm gonna do for this is add the armor pieces that the glove has. So that's what I'm doing right now. I traced all the pieces I needed for the glove on some pieces of scrap foam, and then I cut them out and paste them into the glove. Once you have pasted all the pieces to the glove, it should look something like this. I think it looks pretty cool with the colors red and blue, but remember we're gonna paint everything black at the end, so yeah. Now for the belt, I cut 3 pieces of cardboard. The shapes that are on the belt right now, I didn't make them on purpose. They are actually shapes from previous builds, but I really liked how they looked, so I left them. So I pasted these 3 pieces and I used Velcro to attach the belt, and as you can see it looks pretty cool. It looks nice and it fits perfectly. Now for this to be an actual utility belt, you need weapons and tools and stuff to be hanging from this belt. So the first thing I did was this weird shape that I'm gonna paste in the middle so it looks like it's actually a belt. Then I grabbed a lot of bottles and stuff I found laying around that I could use to paste in the belt. Now these were the 2 bottles that I chose. This one's for paint and the second one is a glue container. They both worked perfectly. I went ahead and started to paste all of those pieces in the belt, so yeah. I'm gonna use the glue container as one of the pockets he has on his belt. The only thing I'm gonna do here is cut a cardboard flap and paste it onto the bottle so it would actually look like a legit pocket, and I think it actually turned out pretty good. The next prop I did was some handcuffs. I traced 2 shapes of handcuffs and a piece of foam, and then I cut them out and I attached a small elastic piece to both of them so they could hang on the belt. But I am not hanging the handcuffs yet because those are gonna be painted separately. So after I added some other pieces, this is how the belt looks at the end. Of course it's gonna look a lot better once it's all painted black, but for now I think it looks pretty good, and yeah. This was everything for this episode. Part 4 is coming out in this couple of days, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and always remember, don't stop creating.